Yes, is the monzo depending on your time zone and location. Latest update from the legal team Mazen NNAMDI Kanu. Yesterday came with a breaking news. Now Mazen NNAMDI Kanu legal team court for some hearing. I am alifeji someone mana this afternoon, Tatabu 8th of February, ejimakor dropped another new update from his official Twitter handle. Continue with an update. Inanya na screen again for 1 hour ago ejimakor post to this update. Can you update aniku na Mazen NNAMDI Kanu chiri ezigbo warning now what Biafrans now why everybody well-meaning personalities in the society si onye obuna na adokwa ezigbo aka na nti si onye obuna ayokwana anybody for his release. Hey, ka Biafrans na nwa na Mazen NNAMDI Kanu ke ma appear na court on Monday the 10th of February after so many months and delay for his trial. Ka onye ndo putakwa we drop all these bomblers. Yes, if what you were here, but also all the short no many Nigerian governments na their own courts. Can go with the updates? Even some people I know with updates here, they think we just cook up some things and come on social media to make noise. Watch the video. Can go as it is from the official Twitter handle ejimakor. Watch your video. Press release 8 February 2024. Tab 8, and the update reads: the subject: upholding the rule of law is more important to me than anything else. NNAMDI Kanu. NNAMDI Kanu ejimakor. Now, the updates. Let me continue. During my visitation with Mazen NNAMDI Kanu yesterday, he made it abundantly clear that while he is deeply appreciative of the efforts and the widespread call being made by well-meaning individuals and groups to secure his release, he, however, instructed his legal team to issue the following clarifications to the general public. Number 1, the matter of releasing Mazen NNAMDI Kanu is not act of mercy. It's not act of mercy, pardon, executive clemency, or even amnesty. Instead, it should be an act of simply complying with the subsisting Federal High Court judgment that declared his detention as unconstitutional, or even the extant international tribunal decisions that separately declared his detention as unlawful. Alternatively, the decision to free him from detention and discontinue his infamous prosecution can be made by simply resorting to the constitutional provisions that empower the Attorney General of the Federation on directives of the President to discontinue any prosecution. Number 2, Mazen NNAMDI Kanu is adamant that nobody should plead or beg anybody on his behalf because he has committed no crime. Self-determination, which is real issue that got twisted to suddenly become a high crime, is an inalienable right guaranteed under the law of Nigeria, the United Nations, the United Kingdom, and Kenya. Thus, the perverse and unlawful criminalization of his exercise of these rights should not unwittingly be encouraged through some misguided appeals for pardon, clemency, or mercy. Thus, releasing Mazen NNAMDI Kanu is not an act of mercy or pardon, but an act of abiding by a rule of law. Number 3, in as much as those calling for his release are sincere, their calls for pardon or clemency may be misconstrued as a green light to execute, branch, or even the courts to violate the rule of law by continuing to subject Mazen NNAMDI Kanu to a prosecution or trial that does not comport with the tenets of the constitutions and Nigerian treaty obligation. Instead of begging those desiring, this number 4, instead of begging, those desiring his release should emulate the language and tact used by Afenifere Ohaneze Worldwide Igbo Congress, ranking member of the National Assembly, American military, veterans of Igbo descent, ambassador for self-determination based in America, the international community, and a host of others who made it clear that Mazen NNAMDI Kanu deserves to be released because he has committed no offense known to law. If truth be told, it is Nigeria's executive branch which extraordinarily rendition Mazen NNAMDI Kanu that should show contrition for resorting to extraordinarily rendition, which is a state of crime under international law and the common law. If any begging must be done, it should be direct to the courts to conduct his case and that of IPOB with the utmost impartiality and adherence to rule of law, equity, and good conscience. Number 5, that's the last one. Most importantly, Mazen NNAMDI Kanu sincerely thank everyone working assiduously towards the restoration of security, tranquility, and good order in his beloved Igbo land. Signed, ejimakor Esquire, F, the legal team. So when I forgot Mazen NNAMDI Kanu si we zie ya ejimakor si ya zie mba niile. Na onye ọbụla chọrọ ikwu okwu concerning his release should plainly tell the federal government to release him. Ọ bụrụ ihe ayeyo na nwere onye o mejọ. he is unlawfully being detained in detention. He made it clear to allow Ejimakor to pass it to the general public. So they came out for this update. Onye Ndumazen NNAMDI adi anazo oka kushike ebo kushike. Ne ukuna that na self-determination. Mmadụ esi na ihe nchọ abro a sin. It's not wrong. It is even in the Nigerian constitution. So the case na for update biko gbambo ka imetụ maka na share button. Mana tupu ime nke drop ọrụ opinion gị ife ilo maka ife onye Ndumazen NNAMDI pụta wee bịa drop on na nke ikpeazụ a. Drop ọrụ opinion gị na comment section na biko gbambo metụrụ maka gị na share button ka ụmụnna ndị ọzọ wee nwetakwa this update. Thank you guys and have a nice day.